Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday and it's already 7:25 AM. So maaga tayo today guys dahil mag-aasikaso na naman tayo ng visa. Sobrang nakakapagod dahil napakalayo ng biyahe. Last month sobrang stress. Nakakaisip ng visa na yan dahil hindi ko alam na expired na pala yung aking visa. Dahil ang nasa passport is September 30 and ang sabi sa akin is nung September 24 pa dahil nag-change kami ng company name. So, 6 days overstay na ako guys. Wala akong kaalam-alam. Kala ko ng 30 lang. Ayaw ko na sanang ituloy yung aking visa. But, overstay na ako and ayaw akong lumabas ng bansa ng Thailand na ganun yung sitwasyon ng aking visa. Tiniis ko na lang lahat ng stress hanggang sa maayos. So, that's it. Babalitaan ko na lang kayo kung ano mangyayari for today. Finally, done na tayo sa immigration and now, nandito tayo ngayon sa SSS nila. Dumaan na rin kami para isang biyahe na lang. And then after nito, uwian na. So, meron lang akong 1 month extension. Kailangan mo nang i-inspect ng immigration yung aking trabaho before nila ako bigyan ng 1 year visa. In 3 days, tawagan ako ng HR. I'm so happy nagkaroon kahit papano. Nagkaroon ako ng 1 month extension. Kasi hindi na ako overstay. So, I'm back. Finally, nakauwi na ako. It's already 6 PM. Nakakapagod ngayong araw. Grabe, kanina, pagbalik namin sa company, tumawag uli yung immigration. Tapos, bumalik na naman kami doon. Grabe, ang nakakapagod mag-drive. 30 minutes away from company. Ang haba ng binahe ko ngayong araw na to. And now, kakain tayo ng dinner. So, hindi ko pa alam kung saan kami kakain. But, bibili muna kami ng electric fan kasi nasira yung electric fan namin. Buti na lang nagising ako. Kung hindi, siguro nag-overheat na yun. As in, sobrang init na talaga nung electric fan. Sira na siya, hindi na siya ma-repair, I think. So, ngayon, bibili kami muna ng electric fan. And then, after that, kakain tayo ng dinner. So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Lotus. So, hanapin natin ang electric fan. Ito yung bibili naming electric fan. This is Sharp brand and color blue. 949 siya. Hindi siya naka-sale, but that's okay. Ito din maganda. 1,249. But medyo malaki. So, hindi naman namin need ng kalakihan. So, ito lang bibili namin. Now, we have a new electric fan. Babayaran na natin siya sa counter. 949 baht. Magmimili din tayo ng mga ibang kailangan sa room kasi tomorrow is my day off. Bili tayo ng sugar kasi wala na tayong sugar. Kalasin ng pansit canton. Indomie. So, bili tayo ng isa. This is my favorite. This is Doritos. Bili din tayo ng kape. This is 195 baht. Intense. This one is buy one take one. 125 baht. So, kuha tayo. So this is the food. This is kai kem, salted egg salad, and this one is kanemu kop, and the soup, super king kai.
Super king kai.
Super king kai, fit chicken soup. Pag maasim yung soup, sobrang sarap.
Maasim, masarap.
And hindi siya ganong spicy kasi ni-request namin wag masyadong spicy. Ito ding salted egg salad. So, sobrang sarap din. Grabe, gutom na gutom ako. This vegetable, one of my favorite. Tapos na yung 1 cup of rice. Kaya naman na diet natin ito. 1 more rice, please. Joke lang. You want? Good morning everyone! Another day. And ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Robinsons kasi kakain tayo. And bibili na rin ako ng charger kasi nasira yung aking charger. But before that, papaputol ko muna yung aking mga pants kasi medyo mahaba siya. Mga binili ko to sa Ukay and some is sa mall. And medyo mahaba kaya paputulan natin siya dito. Iiwan lang natin to, hindi natin hintayin. So yeah, malapit lang. Andito na tayo. I'll be right back. Ka. Anika. Cut.
ขา
ใช่
โอเคเร่งรีบไหม
ano
ก็
okay
นะคะ
โอเค 8 นะ ใช่ตังไหม or ยัง โอเคค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ So we're here in Robinson Food Court. So dito tayo kakain ng lunch. Hindi pa kasi kami nagbe-breakfast, so medyo gutom na. So it's already 11. Tama-tama, it's lunchtime already. So umorder ako ng tom yum with fried egg. So this is the tom yum and fried egg with rice. Hindi mawawala ang patis. Kain tayo. Sour. Tom yum chicken. Sarap din mga food dito sa food court. โอ้โห อร่อยมากเลย สุดยอด Look so red. Spicy. Yum. The iPhone 17. This is the Pro and this is the iPhone Air. Sobrang nipis ng iPhone Air. Oh. Yung camera is just like that. So this one is 39,900. This is the Pro Max, the orange color. It's nice. But this is 48,900. Have problem. Yeah.
Understand you see.
iPhone 17
iPhone 17แล้วลังนะ
ใช่ ดี ไม่มี 16 Pro Max
ไม่มีเหรอคะ
ไม่มีแล้ว
ไม่มีแล้ว
Avocado yogurt
ตอนนี้อะโวคาโดยังไม่สุกนะคะ
อะไรอร่อย No
ตัวนี้จะออกเปรี้ยว
Banana
มังโก้มีไหม
กี่ที่เขาก็อะโวคาโด
โอเค mango
มังโก้
Here's the Yucaruto mango. Let's try first before tayo umalis. Yum, sour. Try. It's good. It's not sweet. เปรี้ยวมากเลย Time check, it's 5:30 p.m. So now we're here in the market Ratchaburi. So pretty this pedestrian. Kilala ang Ratchaburi sa paggawa ng mga jar. Kaya meron silang ganyan with the dragon. So today is Friday. Meron silang night market day. So let's go. Let's walk. Tinitinda din ang kamyas dito with sausawan. A popular one, Pad Thai. Ang daming pagpipili ang pagkain. Sobrang daming damit, mga ukay. So, 50 baht. 50 baht only na ka.
ได้เลยค่ะ
50. You have cash? Scan ได้ไหม Okay. Look at the longganisa in Thailand. Pero yung loob yan, kanin. Hindi pork. Di katulad sa Pinas, pork. A little bit sour. Yeah. I'm waiting. Umupo muna tayo dito sa gilid. Maraming order. So, bumili kami ng namtok, papaya pokpok. Somtam, yeah. Somtam. So, maraming order. Kaya, upo muna kami dito sa gilid. Ang daming food. Ang sarap kumain. Sarap talaga ang diet natin pagkasama natin tong lalaking to.